Yeah, actually it's a very nice place, very beautiful place. You must visit once here.
Hi guys, welcome to my new video. Some places are worth all the uphill hiking in the world and Calanques National Park is one of them. The most beautiful place to hike in Calanques National Park are Calanque de Port Miou, Calanque de Port-Pin and Calanque de Port Miou.
क्या वो कुछ पार्किंग का देख रहे हो?
अरे वो मैं देख रहा, अरे वाह, खजाना है तो।
लेकिन यार यहाँ पे नीचे कैसे जाना वो समझ में नहीं आ रहा।
जाएंगे नीचे, चलो। वाओ वाओ, बाप रे।
बेटू को देख के ज़्यादा किनारे मत लेके जाओ।
ये इधर ही चलते चलते जा रहे थे ना वो लोग।
हाँ। गए क्या?
हाँ देख ना उधर।
आ दो मैडम, पाले वो आंगले। Can we go down?
I don't know.
Is there way to go? No? Oh, okay, okay. No problem.
Sorry.
Mercy. वो इधर ही जा रहे हैं, यहीं पे। हमको देख के आगे लगता है।
ये देखो ये।
यार ये तो इसके देख ना कैसे चल भी रहे हैं।
ये लिखा है ना, कैंपिंग के लिए है बेसिकली।
लोग आगे आगे जा रहे थे।
मेरे ख्याल से इधर से ना ऐसे जा के ऐसे जाते होंगे।
जितना जा सकते उतना जाएंगे।
There's a large outdoor car park here where you can pay €8 and leave your car for the day while you explore the Calanques. Hiking to Calanque de Port Miou takes roughly half an hour from the parking and is about 1 kilometer. About 30 minutes into hike, you will find clear water of Calanque de Port Miou. If you're in south of France and want to explore one of the most beautiful sites in the country, grab some joggers, camera and swimmers and head to Cassis. Cassis is a colorful fishing port just 30 kilometers from Marseille. Okay, so first up, I know what you may be thinking, what the hell is Calanque? Exactly, my thoughts when I moved to France. A Calanque is a steep wall inlet found along the Mediterranean coast and is known for white rocky cliff descending to clear teal seas. The scenery is dramatic plates of blues, green and whites, all blending together under the sunny skies of Provence. Between Marseille and Cassis, you will find 20 kilometers coastline home to number of calanques that can only be explored by foot or by sea.
Jump, jump, jump.
Popular during summer months, here you will find people picnicking, sunbathing and swimming, more than likely perched from the beach all the way along the rocky shores. More scenic blue coastline, making it more motivating once you start heading uphill. There is a number of natural rocky platforms to sit and gaze into the Calanque below. We found a cliff edge which provides the most incredible view for lunch. The Calanque de Port Miou is a natural shelter for ships. There are around 500 boats at anchor. It is the only calanque accessible by car all year round, which makes it very popular for families. The real beauty was seeing the boat move along the dock at Port Miou. What a sight! The way the waterway is carved out of the surrounding rock is amazing. You can walk down to the docks and see the boats, and also walk to the end of the dock and up the hill to get beautiful view of entry into the Port Miou. The site has several freshwater springs plunging into tortoise water, all surrounded by magnificent pine forest. You will be able to see places of limestone. These limestone, dynamited and then crushed, were transported by boat from the hoppers. This former limestone quarry, operated from 1901 to 1982, is separated from the harbour of Cassis by the peninsula.
बहुत ही सुंदर है और इसका लुक मतलब पहली बार हम लोग बीच आए और इतना सुंदर लुक मिला।
जो भी यहाँ पे रहेंगे आके यहाँ विजिट
हाँ,
करो।
एक बार
एक बार
दोबारा
आओ। अच्छा मैं yeah, actually it's a very nice place, very beautiful place. You must visit once here.
It is must recommended.
If you are in southern France, the name is what? Cassis.
Cassis.
Nearby Cassis,
Cassis.
only 1 kilometer. Cassis. Perfect.
If you happen to visit during summer, there are of course alternatives. It means less walking and a different perspective. You can take a boat from Cassis or Marseille and arrive to Calanque by sea.
Hi guys, I'm in Cassis, Calanque Port Miou. How you have seen how is it a beautiful port. A beautiful port. The water is tortoise blue. I'll take you around. It's a really beautiful place. You have to come. This place is amazing, really beautiful. Lots of boat here. People come here, they park their boats. Basically these boats are private boats. Most of them are private boats. Either you can lease or you can rent. Probably this is a lockdown period, so you can see there's no people around and it has no service started. People whomsoever you have seen is basically local people around here. They have their own boats. They come by boat, they park here and they go up to the city. It's really amazing. Beautiful place, beautiful. You can spend the day here, take a rest, come with family, like a picnic place.
If you like my video, please subscribe and thanks for watching.
Avant qu'il rentre à sa maison.
Slow, Jack.
Hey, you can touch. Yes. Hey, you can touch. Yes. La photo. दोनों मोबाइल में